Hey boys and girls, Grandma Norm here. I'm in the Woodster now, and well, came across my woods buddy, Spucey, which is a grouse. I discovered him or her 4 months ago in this area, and been coming around ever since. I've never seen a grouse so tame before in my life. I know I featured in my the first video I made this year when I featured my new cam and that, but yeah, Spucey's back. He or she is still very much alive and still very much tame. So right now I'm currently walking up this hill, and of course right behind me, there she is. Yes, there she is, following me uphill. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Spucey will go places a dog will not even go. I'd never in my life seen a grouse so tame. And the thing is, like, I never gave him no food or anything like that. I don't even know how the grouse became so tame. Like I say, it just came out of nowhere one day when I was exploring the woods, and been following me around in this area ever since. You know, sometimes I walked in the woods and he wouldn't be there, and I think he probably got killed or something, but walking again maybe a few days later, and there she is. You can jump? Huh? Ah, nice. It's steep. Oh man, that boys and girls is one big birch tree. Well, boys and girls, that was a grouse named Spucey. Or should I say, that is a grouse named Spucey. There she is. Still around. Still following me everywhere in his or her own territory. It's very odd, very strange, but also very cute and interesting. I've never seen anything like it. I've never seen a bird or animal or wild animal so tame before. Anyways, hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my social medias. As always, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. So long and have a great day, everybody. Loves yous. Anyway, see you around, Spruce. Hey boys and girls, Grandma Norm here. So today I made a friend in the woods here.